how to get the menu and toolbar back in Google Docs if they've disappeared. Let's get started. First, open your Google Docs document. If the menu and toolbar are hidden, look for the small down arrow or Show Menus icon in the top right corner of the document. Click it to expand and restore the toolbar. If that doesn't work, press Ctrl-Shift-F on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut toggles the menu and toolbar on or off, so pressing it again should bring them back. You can also click View from the menu, if it's visible, and make sure Show Toolbar or the standard editing view is enabled. If you're using your browser in full screen mode, press F11 to exit full screen, as this can sometimes hide browser controls and make the interface look different. If the toolbar is still missing, refresh the page or reopen the document. In most cases, one of these methods restores the Google Docs menu and toolbar immediately. And that's it. You now know how to get the menu and toolbar back in Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.